Hey there. Welcome to Life is Messy, but I am learning as I grow. In life's messes, we learn and grow. Around here, it's not about perfection. It's about the progress and the process. Whether we're crafting, cooking, gardening, or going on fun family adventures, we're always trying something new, making memories, and maybe even a little mess. Let's jump in and see what we're learning today. Looking for a fresh, flavorful way to enjoy your greens? This Minty Spinach Fruit Salad is a delicious twist on your typical salad, packed with juicy fruit, crisp spinach, and a refreshing hint of mint. It's light, vibrant, and perfect for warm weather, potlucks, or just when you need something a little different. You will need 1/2 of a watermelon, 1/2 of a cantaloupe, 1 pint of strawberries, 2 cups of grapes, 2 handfuls of spinach, 2 to 3 mint leaves. Start by cutting up your cantaloupe into bite-sized cubes. Wash and slice your strawberries and rinse any other berries you're using. Have the grapes if desired and cube the watermelon. Roughly chop a handful of fresh spinach and a few sprigs of fresh mint. Add all the prepared fruit, spinach, and mint to a large mixing bowl. Gently stir everything together until well combined. Cover and place the salad in the fridge for at least 30 minutes to let the flavors melt. Give it a quick stir before serving and enjoy your refreshing minty fruit salad. You'll find a link to the written recipe in the description. In life's messes, we learn and grow. It's not about perfection. It's about the therapeutic process of creating, whether it's a craft project, a plant-based recipe, something from the garden, or a family adventure. Let me know how you like this video with a thumbs up or down. Please like, share, and subscribe so you don't miss what we're learning next. Keep learning, keep growing, and I'll see you next time.